Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can level up your product photos by using Pippit AI. So if you're tired of dull, blurry or distracted product shots ruining your online store vibes, so in here I'm going to show you how Pippit AI makes high-end photo editing incredibly simple, helping you turn basic snapshots into conversion boosting. So here, what you need to do is, of course, open a Pippit AI. You can just go to this page right here, and once you're here, you can adjust. In the home page, you can see the popular features section, and there will be the product photo option. So you can just click on try it now. And now you can drag and drop your photo here, or you can also select your photo from your device. So for example, I'm going to just find one in here on my device. Let's say this bike right here. You can just click on open. Okay, so once you're here, the background will be automatically deleted just like this, and then you can resize it how you like it, like this, and there will be the preset prompt reference in here. So you can also upload a reference image in here and edit your product photo based on that reference. So you can also add tags or upload again right here. And at the top right here, there are also another tools like you can adjust the opacity, arrange, flip, or isolate certain elements. If you want to use the preset, you can choose one and just click on generate. And if you're done, you can just tap on download and your product photo will be downloaded. So if you want to join Pippit AI, you can just click on the link down below the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.